Magandang araw po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. In this lesson, we're focusing on how to form the future tense of verbs. The good news is that the future tense is one of the simplest forms to learn because the infix disappears completely. Instead, we form the future tense through reduplication. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and understand the formation pattern of verbs in the future tense, and you will also learn how to use future tense verbs in clear, natural sentences to talk about your plans, intentions, and events that will happen. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to express what you will do later, tomorrow, or this weekend using smooth and confident Tagalog. And let me reiterate this again that if we are using verbs, these are actor-focused verbs, meaning we are focusing on the doer of the action. The future tense formation pattern for verbs removes the infix entirely and relies only on reduplication. So our formation pattern for future tense verbs will be reduplicated first syllable plus the root. So it really does stay the same for both consonant initial and vowel initial roots. For example, halimbawa, for the consonant initial root kain, we simply reduplicate the first syllable, which is ka, and then add the root. So from kain, which means eat, it becomes kakain, meaning we'll eat. So this follows our future tense pattern. Reduplicated first syllable plus the root. The same rule applies for the vowel initial root iinom. We simply reduplicate the first syllable, which is I, and then add the root. So from inom, which means drink, it becomes iinom, meaning we'll drink. So this also follows our future tense pattern, reduplicated first syllable plus the root. Here are some examples of high-frequency verbs that you naturally use when you describe food, errands, going out, or any basic plans. So these are all in its future tense form. We have kakain, will eat, iinom, will drink, lalabas, will go out, pupunta, will go, bibili, will buy, aakyat, will climb, aalis, will leave or head out, babalik, will return, tatawag, will call, susulat, will write. Now, here are some sample sentences using the verb in its future tense form. Kakain kami sa labas ngayong Sabado. We will eat out this Saturday. Iinom ako ng kape. I will drink coffee. Lalabas kami para mag-relax sa linggo. We will go out to relax on Sunday. Pupunta kami sa dagat sa linggo. We will go to the beach on Sunday. Bibili ako ng pagkain bukas. I will buy food tomorrow. So, whether the root begins with a consonant or vowel, we use the same formation pattern in the future tense. Reduplicated first syllable plus the root. It's super duper easy. The pattern is simple and predictable. Now that you know how to form the future tense of verbs, you can start practicing by narrating your own future plans. Think about what you'll do later, tomorrow, or next weekend, and try saying it using the future tense form you just learned. O sige, kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam, ingat po.